Welcome to Pimpy's Investment Chat, where we keep investment talk simple. And here's your host, Pimpy.
What is going on out there, peeps? All right, like I said, what are we looking for? Consistency. That's what we are looking for. So cryptos are still moving up. We'll take a look at gold and silver, talk about why it is that cryptos are going up, and also to make another announcement right behind that. So let's get into this. Before we get started, do me a favor and hit the thumbs up button. And if you're not a subscriber, please do so, because when you do, it helps out the channel, and I certainly do appreciate it. If you're thinking about buying gold, silver, or any other precious metals, head on over to our friends at Money Metals Exchange. The link is down below in the description, or just type in www.moneymetals.com/Pimpy. So get started today, and hopefully your stack will start to look like this real soon. So head on over, tell them Pimpy sent you. You can follow me over on other platforms. I do have my own group over on Facebook called Pimpy's Investment Chat. Over here we do talk about gold, silver, cryptocurrencies, as well as foreign currency investments. So head on over here and join us. It's free to do so. In here I do post updates if I should get on suspension from YouTube or get removed from YouTube, and you want to know what happened to me, I'll let you know right here in this group. I can be found on Twitter, MeWe, YouTube, and the cool thing about YouTube, if you come over here and you join and you find my channel, I got videos going back, I believe, a couple years. So if you want to see some older videos that I have on Nicera, Jacera, gold, silver, cryptos, come on over here and join, look me up, and check out my videos. You can also find me on Odyssey, catch me on Rumble. When I say that the links for all these are down below in the description, some of you don't know what I'm talking about. It's real simple. Just go down to the bottom right here of any of my videos. See this? This is the description. Hit show more. And there are all the links to all the platforms I just spoke about. So if you do want to head on over to Money Metals, just click it. And there you are. So come on over. Join us. I look forward to having you. Alrighty, Bitcoin did hit 37,000 earlier. It's come back just a little bit, but still in the positive. Bitcoin sitting at $36,219. Ethereum above $2,000. XRP's at 65 cents. Still declining. Ever since Dubai made their news, this is the one thing about XRP that I don't like. They'll have a spike and then they turn around and come right back down to where they were. Solana's at $44.21. Cardano's at 36 cents. Dogecoin's at 7 cents. Chainlink's at $14.42. Polygon is at 80 cents. Polkadot's at $4.86. Litecoin at $71.10. Shiba at 508 finally. And it looks like XLM has dropped off the top 25. There it is at 12 cents. Terra Luna Classic started to make a small run. I'm not sure what happened, but they are still at 4065. Saitama sitting at 3091. It started to go up a little bit and then it looks like it came down. Gold sitting at $1,958.60 so far for the day. It's up $8.80. Silver is at $22.61 an ounce. It is up 9 cents for the day. So what is going on with cryptocurrencies? I think what people are getting hip to is there's about to be an announcement on BlackRock's ETF for Bitcoin. Not to mention the fact I believe there's another company, or it's BlackRock, one of the two, who's getting ready to file for Ethereum ETF. So I think people are trying to jump in ahead of time so that once they make that announcement, it's going to cause a spike in the cryptocurrency and you can make a little profit. Hopefully you get in and you get out real quick. Or maybe you want to stay in it. We'll see. Like I said, we're looking for consistency. Bitcoin surges above 37,000, hitting the highest mark in 18 months. A rally fueled by more optimism that regulators could soon approve the first spot Bitcoin exchange trade fund. You know, why would you guys want to go to ETF? Just go buy the crypto yourself. I like how they're trying to market it, by the way. If you can't afford to buy a whole Bitcoin, come to us and it'll allow you to buy a fraction of a Bitcoin. Well, that's what the hell you do on an exchange, except for you control the cryptocurrency. The world's largest cryptocurrency has now gained more than 32% over the past month and 120% since the beginning of January. Yeah, if you knew then what you know now, huh? There's no question that the very positive action in Bitcoin this year continues to be very impressive. It is still far from the all-time high. However, Bitcoin peaked at $68,789 in November of 2021, but then crashed in 2022 as the Federal Reserve began raising interest rates and a series of firms imploded, including crypto exchange FTX in November of 2022. A widespread crackdown on crypto industry followed. Regulators sued a number of big players, including Coinbase and Binance. And last week, a jury convicted FTX founder, SBF, of defrauding customers, lenders, and investors. Now, investors are newly optimistic that the industry is poised for a mainstream acceptance. Not that it already had mainstream acceptance. They are hoping that the SEC will soon grant approval for a spot Bitcoin ETF, which would allow investors to get exposed to the cryptocurrencies without having to own it. BlackRock is amongst the number of criminals with the big name money management that have recently applied to launch such a product. Grayscale Investments want the SEC to sign off on the conversions of its Bitcoin trust into a spot Bitcoin exchange trade fund following an August decision in its favor from a 3-judge panel in the District of Columbia. So yeah, this is one of the things that's causing this spike and the run on Bitcoin. Ethereum surged to above 2,000 on BlackRock's ETF hopes. Ether is trading above 2,000 for the first time since April after it came to light that BlackRock, the world's largest asset firm, with nearly 10 trillion in assets under management, has registered an entity called the iShares Ethereum Trust in Delaware. The registration was first spotted by ex-user Summers on Delaware Division of Corporate's website. They noted that BlackRock created a similar entity a week before filing its spot Bitcoin ETF application. So, some snoops went out there and found that not only are they going to get a Bitcoin ETF, but they're also going to have an Ethereum ETF. Meanwhile, Bitcoin bulls continue to cheer as the digital asset shows no signs of slowing down, briefly trading near 38,000 for the first time since May of 2022, prior to the collapse of Terra. Anyways, this is a small announcement. I used to do this thing called Stock Watch, and people have asked me to start it all over again. I see a window of opportunity in which we can make a little bit of money. Like I said, I'm looking for consistency, and we're starting to see it in crypto. I'll continue to monitor that one, while at the same time doing research on some stocks I think you guys would be interested in. And then we'll do like we used to do. Once or twice a week, I'll do a video on it showing the performances of our fictitious portfolio. Let me know what you guys think about BlackRock getting involved with Ethereum and Bitcoin. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments, and I'll get back to you. That's it for now. I am out.